Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks and tips and just a little bit more information about the blend tool. I have two ellipses and a kind of a rectangle. If I make this ellipse blue and I make this one white, and I make this one white, and then I place it inside here, and I'm going to select both of them. I'm going to go right here to no outline because it works better on the blend. And then I'm going to go ahead and open up the object blend. And the blend docker open up. I'm going to blend 20 times. I really need more than that. I'm kind of seeing some lines. Let's go 50 times. That's a pretty cool effect. Same thing here. I would actually do it separately like that. Let's do the same colors and then make this one white. Now let's make it this. I didn't have an item selected. Light blue. And don't forget, it's a lot better to have no outline. So select and go no outline. And now we're going to blend that thing 50 times again. I mean, look at that effect. You know, I don't get to use effects like that because I'm a laser engraver. I'm just kind of curious how that would work with black and like a gray. Let's make that gray and make this black. I think I've got an outline back, so I'm going to take away the outline. And now let's blend it. That might even laser engrave kind of a gradient, like a 3D effect. And you can still kind of see some lines, but you can go as high as I think 999 times. And you won't have any lines. It'll just be a disbursement. And what's kind of neat about this, you can move your blend around. You know, you don't have to keep it right there. Go, right off the edge. Ooh, right off the edge. Same thing here. You can move that wherever you want it. Kind of give it a nice effect. I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.